What's up, guys? Kickstarters here, David and Dakota. This video today is kind of an old video because we weren't able to get a video out, but we had some footage from the past of us going on a bike ride. We figured you'd guys like it, and so we made sure to get it out. It's actively Friday at 12:40 right now. Yeah, this video will probably be out in a couple hours, but hope you guys like it, and we'll see you in the next. Yo, what's up, y'all? Kickstarters here, going on a bike ride today with the boys out here downtown, local city, by the river right now. We're gonna have to get a video of us floating down this someday. That would be cool as hell. Gotta give you a run of these bikes too. Pasonic DX 2000 Beauty. Trek 800 Antelope with a horn and speaker. Beauty. Trek 800 Sport. Beauty. We both got bike racks on the back. He keeps playing with the horn. This is funny. We're about to get to it. About to just go chill. We're gonna go chill at one of these spots we know. It's Cold Tower. We're gonna probably climb up it today, get some footage up there, and yeah, we're gonna take you guys along for the ride. See you there.
Following the bike trail on the way back, we heard something in the woods, so we started following the sound. It was a bunch of Jeeps hill climbing. We went in there with the mission to get it on camera. Dude, that's a crazy hill.
Oh, now I feel
Hey, so the audio wasn't great on this video. That's why most of the video has music over it. But I still want to show you guys, this was one of the trips with the boys. We went out, we enjoyed ourselves. It was like an all-day trip. We went out with a bunch of snacks, drinks. There was just us three. Go ahead, go outside, do something with the people you know. I had also gotten another camera. I was tired of the quality of the GoPros, so I went to DJI. We, in some of the past videos, had used both cameras, comparing them side by side, and the GoPro Hero 10, the quality of the sound is just horrid. So I decided to switch over. I'm getting the same camera, the DJI Action 4. That is what David's been using. I've been tired of hearing this.
I'm saying like you and me conversating instantly stopped.
If you guys have any recommendations or questions, let us know. Until next time, stay tuned for our next video.